Hi everyone, this V.Z Pro 3 channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix the issue where your Instagram business account doesn't have access to the music feature, especially when you're trying to add music to your stories or reels on your iPhone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Let's get started. Before we fix it, here's a quick explanation. Instagram has licensing restrictions for business accounts. That's why many business profiles don't get access to commercial music. If you're using a business account, Instagram assumes you're using the platform for commercial purposes and restricts access to copyrighted tracks to avoid legal issues. But don't worry, here's what you can do. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Go to your profile by tapping the bottom right icon, then click Edit Profile. Next, scroll down and here, you'll see the option category. Then click on it. There are so many categories like artist, blogger or public figure and etc. To display music, select the entrepreneur category. If you select another category, the music will not appear. After that, enable display on profile on the top. If already set, click Done on the top right corner of the screen. Next, you can tap Profile Display. And turn on this menu. And click Done. After all the steps have been followed, close the app. Reopen it, and check your stories or reels. The full music library should now appear. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need, and if you want to learn how to make your account private, stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.